Bakers in ancient Rome used the readily available, at least in the Mediterranean, and powerful yeast to leaven their breads. Grape yeast. That's the whitish layer you can see on untreated grapes, the same stuff which ferments grape must into wine. But it can also be used in baking. The easiest way to extract grape yeast from fresh grapes is to squeeze a handful of them into your bread dough. To preserve it through the year, a batch of dough would be kept each day as a starter for the next day, just as we do with sourdough. Alternatively, there were also methods to prepare dry yeast, which could be kept through the winter. I did a video about those a few years back. Believe me, grape yeast works just fine for baking.